Hi, this is Business Managerial Math, Worksheet 3, Problem 11. Let's read the given. Suppose the bookshop has total revenue and total cost functions given as follows. Total revenue equals 20Q. Total cost equals 80 plus 15Q. A. Calculate the equilibrium quantity algebraically at the break-even point. Calculate the value of total revenue and total cost at the break-even point. Does the bookshop make a profit or loss? Okay, let's review the rules. When we say break-even point, we mean that the profit equals 0. This also means that total revenue equals total cost. This is what break-even point means. A profit equals total revenue minus total cost. So profit equals total revenue minus total cost. Let's start solving. A. So they're asking us to find the quantity at the break-even point. Always break-even point means TR equals TC. Two equations, 20Q equals the second equation, 80 plus 15Q. As you can see, we have one equation and one variable, which is Q. We know how to solve for Q. 20Q minus 15Q equals 80. 15Q goes here, and it's negative. So 5Q equals 80. Q at break even is 80 over 5. On the calculator, 80 over 5 is 16. So for us to have a profit equals 0, or for total revenue to equal total cost, we need to produce 16 units. Part B. Calculate the value of total revenue and total cost at break-even. Since it's break-even, total revenue must be equal to total cost. Let's calculate them. Total revenue equals 20 times Q. We already calculated Q equals 16, so TR equals 20 times 16, which is 320. As for total costs, it's 80 plus 15Q. Q equals 16. 80 plus 15 times 16 equals 320, which is very logical since TR equals TC. And we're at break-even. C. Does the bookshop make a profit or loss when 10 books are sold? So, when 10 books are sold, this means that Q equals 10. So, Q equals 10. Do we have profit or loss? So we need to calculate the profit, which equals to TR minus TC at Q equals 10. TR is 20 times 10 minus, watch out, you need to set the brackets here, minus 80 plus 15 times 10 So this is 200 minus, the final answer is minus 30. Obviously, the negative profit means we have a loss. Alright. And when 17 books are sold, so 17 books are sold means Q equals 17. Profit equals TR minus TC equals 20 times 17 minus into 80 plus 15 times 17, which is 5. This is positive profit, so we have profits at Q equals 17. This is it. I will add an extra question. Let's draw and show graphically the break-even points. So, D, extra, show graphically the break-even point. To do so, we need to sketch the total revenue, sketch the total cost function line, and find the intersection. This is a white paper. This is my x-axis, Q, and this is my y-axis. We have TR and TC on this axis. First, we need to find 2 points to draw the total revenue. If Q equals 0, TR equals 0. A second point, if Q equals 2, or if Q equals 20, TR equals 400. This is a second point. So 0, 0, this is our first point. 20 with 400. This is our second point. We join these 2 points, and here we have total revenue. This is our total revenue line. Now we need to plot TC. For Q equals 0, TC equals 80. So our first point, Q0, TC 80. Here it is. Our second point for TC equals 20. You can choose another quantity, but I chose 20. You can choose a random quantity. So 80 plus 15 times 20, we have 380. So just below the 400. For Q equals 20. This is our second TC point. We will join these 2 points. This is TC. Our break-even point is the intersection point between TR and TC. The coordinates for this break-even point, so BE, are 16, Q equals 16, TR equal TC equals 320. Thank you for watching.